Whoa, those are some nice shoes. Where did you get those?
Oh, I got it from Orson's Tractor Airs.
Oh, wow.
Hey, I gotta go though.
Oh, wow.
Owning the right or wrong shoes affects you, whether you're on the court or in the classroom. Having better shoes make you a better person.
We've been over this like 50 times. What is wrong with you? Why don't you get this stuff?
With this new product, you'll be able to achieve that goal of becoming that better person.
Hey man, where'd you get those shoes?
Oh, these Tractor Airs? We got them at Orson's.
Man, I gotta get me some of those.
Stop hating on them, but that is a weak emotion.
Leo hit the core with new game and cracked the books with a new brain. He's doing great. All thanks to Tractor Airs.
Awesome. Hey guys, you got it all right.
Sadly, not everyone has Tractor Airs. I recommend them to everyone though, no matter how small you are. Tractor Airs not only help you with athletic abilities and academics, they also help you with your social skills. What a great time, thanks to those Tractor Airs. Purchasing Tractor Airs will in fact get you a girlfriend. So find out for yourself and buy some today.
So, what kind of shoes are those?
Oh, these Tractor Airs.
Our goal at Tractor Airs is to make you a better person and make friends.
I want some.
I could take you out, go get some shoes.
Alright.